This song is going to be sung and played, and also was written by Garrett Hall. It's called God is Holy.
God is great.
God is Great.